There may be a question in your mind that why after morning assembly again we have gathered here. तो कुछ बच्चों के दिमाग में यह सवाल होगा कि हम यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं। तो जैसा कि आपको पता है आज हमारे यहाँ पे बेलगांव से श्रीमान कुश दुर्गी जी सर आए हैं। हम जोरदार तालियों से उनका स्वागत करेंगे। मैं कार्यवाहक प्राचार्य विजय सुतार सर से निवेदन करता हूं कि दुर्गी सर का वो हमारे विद्यालय में स्वागत करें। श्रीमान दुर्गी सर एक शिक्षाविद है, लेखक है, कवि है और वो खास करके आज हमारे विद्यालय में आए हैं। उसका रीजन ये है कि वो आज आप लोगों को गणित और इंग्लिश के कुछ टेक्निक्स बताएंगे जिससे कि आप लोगों को एग्जाम्स में मदद हो सके। वो कुछ टेक्निक्स आपको बताएंगे। अगर आपको लगता है कि लिख के लेना है तो यू कैन राइट इट डाउन। अब मैं ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए मैं श्रीमान दुर्गी सर से निवेदन करता हूं कि वो मंच पे आए और अपना प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करें। प्लीज सर, एक बार हम जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत करेंगे, अभिनंदन करेंगे कि वो समय निकाल के हमारे यहाँ पे आए और हम लोगों के लिए वो एक प्रोग्राम वैदिक मैथ्स का लेके आए हैं। थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you, sir. Good morning to all of you. I am Ankush Durgi from Belgaum. It's my pen name, means Kavya Nama we say in Hindi. My full name is Kush M. Durgi. I lectured about 25 years in Belgaum, Dharwad, Athani, which is my native taluka Athani, and in Maharashtra also, Sangli. Along with my lecturing, I am studying now also. I am the student of now 60 years. 60 years old now, but studying. So I covered more than 10 degrees and finishing one PhD and planning to start another. My two daughters, Nikita and Amruta, both are also, they are finishing PhD within 2 months. In organic chemistry, and regularly all are the state rankers. Another Sonal is a software student, so continuously they are the state rankers. In all subjects they get 100% marks within just half an hour. Maximum in maths 45 minutes. Easily we can cover all the subjects, but for this we need special techniques. There is my slogan, nobody is dull and no subject is tough. But we have to follow some special techniques, tricks, methods and ideas. If we follow the techniques, tricks, methods and ideas, you will become a super ranker within just 3 to 6 months. Nobody is dull. Please remember this one. Let us see that how the techniques help us. Just I am giving here some techniques in maths, that is Indian traditional mathematics. We say that Vedic maths. It's an Indian traditional mathematics. It's an extraordinary one. And I can say the remaining formats of the maths of the world are the different forms of the Vedic maths. Just I am giving how your schooling maths, whatever the maths we are studying in school, college, how this is linked with the Vedic maths. The links between Vedic and modern maths I am giving here. If you follow that, you will become a super student. My thousands and thousands across the Karnataka and Maharashtra, many more now lakhs together students are the super rankers. And My both the daughters, Amruta and Nikita, finishing their PhD very shortly and becoming scientists. And last week, our eldest daughter Nikita got world ranking. She was selected for the research project work. Now she is going to that Tungai University, Taiwan. It was founded nearly 100 years back by Japanese. It's an extraordinary university. Only 600 candidates selected for that. Among them, my daughter is the topmost one, and she is now getting nearly 1 lakh rupees stipend per month. And remaining things are also they are giving. Okay, you can do these all things. You will become a super ranker. See here, just I am giving here the idea about the maths. How the techniques of the Vedic maths help us. First, I am giving you the table here, how the tables can be created by the help of Vedic maths. Understand? Yes. देखिए आपको टेबल्स कैसा बनाना है. एक टेक्निक आप समझ ले लीजिए, बस आप दुनिया के कोई भी टेबल बना सकते हैं. Within 2 minutes you can cover tables up to 100. Within 5 minutes you can cover tables up to thousands and lakhs and crores. Just but remember that do not practice these all things. Just follow the techniques. And you will not forget these all things. This will remain forever. And this needs no practice. Without practice, without any following, you will remember for this forever. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Do one thing, please. Do not write down. Still I say you, please take down like that. Okay? Here only you have to focus on at board. Here, 100% you should focus here. All that. Okay? Come on. Whenever I say start, please set your time. Whenever I say stop, check your time. Within 2 minutes, you will say, we can create tables up to 100. And if you know the creation of tables, you can cover the whole mathematics. Tables are the backbone of mathematical world. Yes, come on. Okay? Please set your time. Start. Come on. 52. There is a technique Vedic. Here we have to take separately, but here we have to take jointly. Here we are making table of 52. Please don't write down. Look at this only. Concentrate here only, please. Yes, okay? Now, set your time, okay? Start. 52. Write down the table for first digit, that is 5. Then for the second. Is it clear? Don't write down. Look at this only, okay? We have taken both the tables separately. Is it clear? Next technique. If we have 2 digits, Vedic technique. If we have 2 digits, then we have to take 1 line of digits of the second table. 2 digits, 1 line. Directly. That 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay? Okay. Then next, the front line digits of the second table should be added in the first table. That's 5. There is no digit to add. Take 5 as it is, 10 as it is, 15 as it is, 20 as it is, 25 plus 1, 26, 30 plus 1, 31, 36, 41, 46, 50 plus 2, 50. Is it clear? Can you create table of 53 by the help of this technique? Wow, very nice. 64, 76, 89, 99. Wow, super, smart students. Now you can create tables up to 100. Am I right? Please check your time.
1 minute 45.
Wow, super. 1 minute 45 seconds. Less than 2 minutes. Please invest once in a life only 2 minutes for creation of the tables. Now you can easily cover whole mathematics of the world, because tables are the backbone of mathematics. Here, come on. Now please give me just 1 minute more. 1 minute, 1 मिनट दे दीजिए मुझको. आपको हजारों में पाड़े आएंगे, लाखों में पाड़े आएंगे. Okay, come on. This is here. Already we have the table of 52. Is it clear? Yes. Now I want to create table for 952. 952. Already we have the 52. What should I do now? Wow, very nice. These 4th students are answering. All are answering. What should I do now? Yeah, 9 tables should be written. Then let us go on mixing this. See that 2 digits, 1 line should be taken. 2 digits, 1 line. Now we have 3 digits. 2 digits, 1 line. 3 digits? 2 lines. Wow, super. 2 lines should be taken directly, and the front line digit should be added in the table of 9. Then we will get the table of 952. 952 means we are very near to 1000. Yes. If there comes again 999, you can easily create the next tables and next tables and next tables. Am I right? Now, let us see how these tables help us to solve the math easily. Okay, I am giving some operations here. Come on. Please take off it. Okay. Yes. Please come nearby. Here, the number should be clear. From distance, they not catch. Here, near about, still here. Make it zoom also. Yes. 1 minute. सबका वीडियो. कुछ बच्चे नहीं आए, इधर बैक थे, इसलिए बना रहा हूँ. ओके, प्लीज़ आपका स्कूल का नाम. केंद्रीय विद्यालय चिकोड़ी. Once again, loudly. Kendriya Vidyalaya Chikkodi. How do you feel about the session? Good. Thank you very much. You have done very nice job. You controlled all the system of the mics and all that. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.